Hi Susie, how's it going?
My book and CD sales are going great. How about you?
Same here, thanks. Hey, have people been asking you about something called Bank on Yourself?
Oh yeah, every day. It's some new twist on whole life insurance they came up with. Even though we keep saying you shouldn't waste your money on whole life, you should buy term and invest the difference in mutual funds. It's as simple as that.
Yeah, I've been saying that until I'm blue in the face. Buy term insurance and invest the difference. I'm getting 12% a year in my mutual funds. But they claim these Bank on Yourself policies are different. Sure. If you believe that, I've got a timeshare in Cleveland I'll sell you.
Have you ever been to their website, bankonyourself.com? Pamela Yellen is challenging you and me to a debate. Oh, I'm so scared. Aren't you? Tee-hee-hee-hee-hee. She says she can prove Bank on Yourself policies are different from what we talk about. I wasn't buying it. But I got curious and checked out a website.
What did you find out? I'm only asking in case my mother-in-law falls for it and I have to talk her out of it. I don't think she reads my books.
Well, you know how one problem with whole life is that the company pays you the death benefit, but keeps your saving when you die? You know, when you cash your chips and leave the casino? When your last apple falls off the tree? When you...
Yeah. Okay. I get it. It's a real ripoff.
But they've got actual policy statements on bankonyourself.com. They show how you get the death benefit, plus all the savings, plus some extra.
I don't care. Whole life policies cost too much. And your cash value grows very slowly. You don't have any cash value for the first few years.
Yeah, I know. But they have policy statements on bankonyourself.com that show a bunch of cash value in the first year. They say that's because they add a rider to the policy. It makes your cash value grow a lot faster. Like 40 times faster. Even sea monkeys don't grow that fast, Dave.
I don't care. This is just the latest trick insurance agents cooked up to separate you from your money. You should buy term and invest the difference in mutual funds. I get 12% a year on mine.
I don't. Like I said, when the New York Times interviewed me, my net worth is $32 million. But I only have $1 million in the stock market. I'm rich from selling books and being on television.
So you only invest 3% of your assets in stocks?
That's all I can afford to lose.
So how come you tell people who want to retire in 15 years to invest 70% of their money in stocks?
Oh, investing in stocks is for the little people. I can always sell more products if I need money, or I can endorse another term insurance company. Those endorsements can be worth millions of dollars.
I know. I love doing endorsements too.
I hope people buy from the term insurance company I endorse. Tell them Susie sent you. Dave, you know that 12% annual return you talk about?
Yes.
Apparently, that's malarkey. At bankonyourself.com, they show how you could get a 25% average annual return for years, but still not make a dime. The guy who started the biggest mutual fund company says it's all smoke and mirrors.
I don't care. I get 12% a month in my mutual funds.
Did you hear the joke that goes, what's a 12% mutual fund?
No.
It's a fund where, after you invest for years, it's only worth 12% of what you put in. Tee-hee-hee-hee-hee.
That's not funny. I get 12% a week in my mutual funds.
Wait until you hear this, Dave. They tell people to borrow from their policies to pay for things.
You've got to be kidding. That's the dumbest thing I ever heard. Why would you pay someone interest on your own savings? You should save up money until you have enough to pay cash for things. Did my wife put you up to this?
I know. It's really stupid. But at bankonyourself.com, they show how the interest you pay on policy loans comes back to you. I have to admit, I was surprised by what I saw on the website.
I don't care. I get 12% a day in my mutual funds. And if people buy term insurance from the company I endorse, I can retire rich. Then, if they invest the difference in 12% mutual funds, they can retire rich, too.
Sure they can. When gold bricks start falling from the sky.
I don't care. I'm getting 12% a minute in my mutual funds.
This is gonna kill you, Dave. Pamela Yellen says you can even get policies that pay you the exact same interest and dividends, even on the money you borrowed.
I don't care. I just made 12% in 1 second in my mutual funds.